for joining our August 10th PZM Essentials webinar. My name is Dan Bahe, and I am a Precision Business Planning Specialist at AgSolver. Today we're going to be reviewing account settings page within Profit Zone Manager. So just to give you an idea of our agenda today, basic introduction, navigate to the account settings page, functions within the account settings page, user admin link, user login information, map performance, anonymized data, notification preferences, edit budget templates, and AgX account. And I'll explain what everything means with those. And then we'll follow up with any questions anyone might have. So before we hop into Profit Zone Manager, I want to let you know that my contact information is below. Emails djba@agsolver.com, or you can email support@agsolver.com. And then my cell phone number is 319-238-1978. You can see that in the chat box here. If anyone has any questions, we are in Q&A mode, so please type your question in the chat box, and we will answer those throughout the webinar. Now we'll hop into Profit Zone Manager. And so when we first log into Profit Zone Manager, what you will come to is the enterprise page. And so at the top here, this is where we can navigate to different pages within Profit Zone Manager. So we have enterprise page, which we're on now. We can go to the machine data upload page, and then right next to the machine data upload page is the account settings page. So we'll navigate to that, and this is where we'll come to the user admins link in the account settings page. First one, depending on your account level, you can add users or view users enterprises. And then below that, this is where we have our username information along with first name, last name, email, and then we can change our password confirmation, and then our current password if we wanted to update anything like that. And then below that, we can enable a two-factor authentication. And this is where you put in your cell phone number and you'll get an access code, and you can enable it there too. And so that's for security reasons. So if you wanted to. And then scrolling down, we have our map performance. This is where we can adjust the resolution on the profit maps from 30 foot to 10 foot or 30 foot to 10 foot. And so it's just a simple click. Scrolling down, if we want to share and anonymize our data within Profit Zone Manager, we can either select yes or no. And then the notification preferences, which when you upload machine data or you create a report, you'll get an email saying that your report has been completed or your machine data has been uploaded. We can deselect if we don't want to receive emails, or if we do want to receive emails. We can save that. And then we can also edit crop budget templates or create crop budget templates. So if we click on edit budget templates, the orange button, that will pull up all the templates, custom crop budget templates that I created. And we can view these, edit these, or add new templates. And so you can name it and then enter in your input line items. So, and then finishing up, we have the AgX account where you can import, as of right now, field boundaries. But here in the coming month and a half, you'll be able to bring over yield data and also as applied data. So, and we'll be doing another webinar on how to link your AgX account to your Profit Zone Manager account. And so it's an easy process. So that's just a quick and basic rundown of what's in the account settings page. Now we'll open it up to any questions anyone have within Profit Zone Manager. And so pretty straightforward in terms of explainability, and we have definitions of whatever everything means also. So if there's no more questions anyone might have, or if you have questions later on, please feel free to email me or give me a phone call. I also want to mention that once this webinar is completed, it will be uploaded to our AgSolver YouTube page, so you can go back and review this webinar. And also, I want to invite everyone to our next webinar, our intermediate planning webinar at 11 o'clock today, where we're going to be reviewing adding Delta Force hydraulic down pressure units to our planner so we can see the economic payback on a per basis across our enterprise. So, and that's at 11 o'clock. So there's no more questions. Thank you for joining our August 10th webinar.